disclosure, this kit was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Woo! Guys, right here, we got the toy kit. Yeah, this is for kids 6 and up. This is a kid's toy toolkit. This toolkit has a whole bunch of pieces, 45 pieces, including a drill that actually works. It does have an interchangeable head. You can put a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and it actually works with an actual removable battery. This is a complete toolkit for the kids. Boom! I don't know. Yeah, a nice construction box. You have 2 things in the box. The toolkit right here, construction vest. Pop, boom, construction vest. A cute construction vest. Pocket right here to put your name card and everything. Cute construction vest. Toolbox. Sturdy toolbox with a tool handle. Boom. Oh yeah. Tools inside. 2 bags. Lots of bags of tools. This bag. This. You have your bolt, your wrench, your nuts. All the pieces included. Kids tool choice. 45 pieces. Operation instruction. Pieces. Legit quality of the bolt. Pieces. The safety goggles. Safety goggles. Yeah. The open-ended wrench. Hammer. Air mask. Some pieces. Pliers. Oh. Pliers, the wood piece, the clamp, flathead screwdriver, different pliers, pipe wrench right here. So you can turn this and you can open. Oh, a real pipe wrench. More wood, more pieces. Pull out. Oh, it does. Your tape measure actually pulls out. Pulling up the tape measure. The tape measure actually pulls out. Razor blade. Oh, this is a razor blade. The hammer, the wrench, pliers, open and wrench, the power tool, the drill head attachment. Put this on here and it becomes a drill. Put this on. That's a drill attachment, jigsaw attachment, Phillips head, flathead, a drill bit. Many little pieces for the drill. Put it in the drill bit right now. Put one right there. One right here. 2 AA batteries. Close the cap. So we just install the 2 AA batteries. The battery in the drill can detach. It's like a real screwdriver with a detachable battery. You push the direction right there. You change the direction of the drill. Real sound. Flathead, Phillips screwdriver head. Put the Phillips screwdriver head in here. Oh, look at that drill, dude. It works. It's a real screwdriver. This kit is awesome. Take out the head right here. Put in the jigsaw head. Put it in like this. Twist it and lock in. You have a real working jigsaw. Wow. Real jigsaw. Cutting wood. Oh, real jigsaw action. The whole toolbox. 45 pieces of tools in here. Put all your tools in here. Also includes the vest. You have the goggles. You have the vest. The toolbox with 45 pieces of tools. You have a drill that works. Interchangeable head. Battery power. Everything. This is the 45 piece toy toolkits for kids. There's just so many tools. And a drill that works. This toolkit is awesome. Wow. This drill works. So cool. Toolkit with 45 pieces and a working tool. This toolkit has 45 pieces, including the goggles, including the drill, including so many tools. The box as well. Look at all the stuff you have inside. 45 piece toy kit. My favorite is the screwdriver because it actually works. Look, it spins and it has a removable battery. So cool! Yeah!